Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the one game-changing feature of the Insta360 Ace Pro that made me ditch my GoPro. Okay, so what's that feature? Well, without beating around the bush or anything, let's get right to it. It's pause recording. Now you might be wondering, why is this such a big deal? Well, let me show you. Say we're out in the field and we're recording a travel video, walk and talk or something like that. And let me go ahead and hit the record button. Right now, I'm just recording whatever it's pointed at, speaker in my Apple Watch. But say we are out there in the field and you want to record something and you're at a stoplight and you're doing a walk and talk and you don't want to record the nonsense while you're waiting for the stoplight to turn. What you can do is pause it by pressing on that pause button right there. And now it says recording pause. Tap the button below or press the shutter button to continue recording. So what you do is to continue recording, you'll either press this top button up here, the record button, or you can press that button again. So I'm going to go ahead and record it. As you see, it's got 26 seconds. Let's tap it. 27, 28, 29. So it starts to resume recording. But that right there, that pause feature is a game changer. So you can pause your recording and resume exactly where you left off. This means no more editing multiple clips together, and it's saving you tons of time and hassle. The GoPro doesn't do this. This is the only action camera out there on the market that I know that does this. So since the GoPro doesn't offer this, that's why I jumped ship and went to the Insta360 Ace Pro. So every time you stop and start recording, you create separate clips, which can be a pain to edit later. So if you're looking to streamline your recording process and make your videos look top-notch, the Insta360 Ace Pro is the way to go. And that's why I made the switch, and I couldn't be any happier. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.